Hello, welcome to my kitchen. That's not what you're here for. Today, let me tell you 3 reasons why DeepSeek AI might be better than ChatGPT. And the reason why we're in my kitchen is because I'm gonna cook tea while I talk about it. So let's get going. So you see, DeepSeek's AI is a wire like a puzzle-solving ninja. It uses a tweaked architecture structure that forces it to solve every problem step by step. Whereas ChatGPT, sometimes it is just a wild guesser. And you know what? I just forgot to turn on the stuff. Smart of me, huh? For example, if you ask both the models to solve 3x plus 5 is equal to 20, DeepSeek will do it step by step, whereas ChatGPT will directly give you the answer x is equal to 5. DeepSeek trained on heaps of Chinese text and code. DeepSeek is kinda like your TikTok math tutor, which results into flawless Chinese translations and better Python fixes. Whereas ChatGPT, think of it as like your uncle who's trying to help you with your math after 3 beers. Result, ChatGPT does not really know how to explain what it is doing, whereas DeepSeek kinda know what it is doing, and it brings you on the journey to show you what it is thinking. Also, ChatGPT is more like a tourist on Google Translate when it comes to Chinese. DeepSeek uses sparse attention, which means it skims textbook like a pro student. What that does is it makes it efficient to run. If it's efficient, that means it's cheaper as well. Whereas ChatGPT sometimes might be a high energy consuming, cash burning overachiever. So, bottom line is DeepSeek is really good when it comes to Chinese, tech and logic, whereas ChatGPT is really good at a lot of things. So if you're looking for something specific when it comes to Chinese language or logical reasoning or Python fixes, DeepSeek might be better than ChatGPT, whereas ChatGPT is very good for everyday normal research, asking questions. Now we get to the greasy part that DeepSeek is also another company that came out of China. So the conversations might go that, does it also have problems that TikTok and CapCut is having? Because a lot of user data might be going to Chinese servers, which then can be used again in not the favor of the user, but might be fueling China with more and more data. So well, there you go. That's 3 things I think DeepSeek might be better than ChatGPT. But just to be aware, follow the news, see how the data is used, and again, there's propaganda when it comes to any Chinese company made products. Because example, you cannot look for Taiwan on DeepSeek, and somehow on internet there are a few examples where someone talked about Taiwan. DeepSeek just fully unleashed the propaganda that Taiwan is always going to be Chinese. So there are a few things or a few nuances to it, but yeah, let's see how it progresses. And my tea is almost ready, so I think I'm gonna enjoy my tea. Hope you like this episode, a quick one, and I'll see you guys again next week.